WAGO's 2273 series compact push wire connectors for junction boxes provide maximum impact in minimum space. The 2273 series is approximately 50% smaller than the original 273 series, which has proven itself in billions of applications. Its reduced size requires minimal space for electrical installations. The 2273 series offers the following advantages: easy detection of connector type, since every connector size has its own lid color. Transparent enclosure permits visual inspection for correct wiring. A clear port shows if the conductors have been stripped properly. The large test port is designed for all standard test probes. As a result, color coding and transparent enclosure provide clear identification and perfect installation conditions. The 2273 series also allows any combination of conductor sizes, ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 square millimeters, or 18 to 14 AWG. Therefore, only one series is required for connecting all cross-sections. The WAGO 2273 series, the compact push wire connector for junction boxes. WAGO, innovative connections.